to this year's VEX Robotics competition, Clean Sweep. Clean Sweep is played on a 12-foot by 12-foot playing field covered by foam tiles. The field is divided into two areas by an 11.5-inch wall. Robots are not allowed to touch the foam playing surface on the other side of the wall. There are 3 different playing objects for this year's game. A small, green 4-inch diameter ball, a medium-sized, orange ball, and a large 9.5-inch bonus ball. The primary objective of Clean Sweep is to place, throw, or push as many game objects onto the other side of the field as possible. There are also 4 triangular goals which the smaller playing objects may be scored. The bonus ball is introduced by a coach in the last 30 seconds of the match. A small ball on the other side of the field is worth 1 point. A small ball scored in a goal of your color is worth 3 points. A medium ball on the other side of the field is worth 5 points. The bonus ball on the other side of the field is worth 10 points. All scores are calculated at the end of the match. Let's see how a match is played.